Richard Franciscano Gomez, born April 7, 1966, is a Filipino actor, TV host, politician, and epee fencer. He has been serving as the representative of Leyte's 4th District since 2022 and was mayor of Ormoc from 2016 to 2022. Gomez was a leading actor in the early 1990s, earning several awards and nominations. He played the title character in Super I-Law and The Flying Kids in 1986 and appeared in the romantic drama films Nag Babagang Luha and Babaeng Hampas Lupa, both 1988, and starred in Hi Hintayin Kita Sa Langit in 1991 opposite Don Zulueta. From 1987 to 1998, he co-starred in the ABS-CBN sitcom Palabhasa Lalak alongside John Estrada and Joey Marquez. In 1998, he married actress Lucy Torres, who later also became a politician. The couple starred in the ABS-CBN sitcom Richard Loves Lucy from 1998 to 2001. Gomez had an unsuccessful start. His party was disqualified in the 2001 House of Representatives elections, and he then lost in the 2007 Senate election. He moved to his wife's hometown of Ormoc to run for the local House seat in 2010, but was disqualified for failing to establish residency. In 2013, he lost the mayoral election but won in 2016 and was re-elected in 2019. He graduated from the University of the Philippines Open University, Associate in Arts 2009, and the University of Perpetual Help System. Delta Masters in Business Administration in 2016. He earned a doctorate in Public Administration from the Cebu Technological University in 2019. Gomez was a nominee of Mamamayan Isa Droga Mad Partilist in the congressional election of 2001. Their party won but was disqualified for failing to present proof of sectoral representation. He planned to run as governor of Bulacan Province, but lacking the residency requirements, ran instead as an independent in the 2007 senatorial elections, which he lost. In 2010, he ran for a seat in the Congress for the 4th District of Leyte, but was disqualified by the Commission on Elections, COMELEC, for failing to establish residency in Ormoc. His wife, Lucy Torres Gomez, took his place and won. He served as his wife's chief of staff during her term as Congresswoman. In 2013, he ran for mayor of Ormoc but lost. He was finally elected as mayor in 2016 and was re-elected in 2019. He ran for a seat in the Congress for the 4th District of Leyte in 2022, switching places with his wife, and eventually won. Gomez competed in fencing with the épée as his weapon. Gomez's first major appearance as a competing fencer was at the 1995 Finlandia Fencing Championships at the Sham Gr Plaza, where he outbested national team members to claim the men's épée title. Gomez represented the Philippines internationally at the Southeast Asian Sea Games as a fencer starting in the 1995 edition in Chiang Mai. He won a silver medal at the 1997 edition in Jakarta and another in the 2001 edition in Kuala Lumpur. He later won a gold medal each in the 2003 and 2005 editions. He later won a gold medal for the Philippines at the Asian Master Fencing Championship in 2015. After taking part as a fencer at the 2001 SEA Games, Gomez took up sports shooting. Gomez competed in both fencing and shooting in the 2005 edition. In the shooting event, Gomez participated in the trap and skeet. Gomez also competes in clay pigeon shooting. In 2022, he participated in the 4th FITASC Asian Sporting Championships, where he won the senior category silver medal at the complex sporting event and 4th place at the Sporting Clays event. Gomez is the organizer of the Sporting Clays Association of the Philippines. Gomez returns to the SEA Games in the 2025 edition in Thailand as a clay pigeon shooter. Gomez managed the Philippine rowing team at the 1991 SEA Games in Manila, 16. In 2019, Gomez's painting title to which depicted a male genitalia went viral and gained controversy. Displayed at the Manilart Fair at SMX Convention Center Aura in Taguig. The piece was sold for Philippine peso 196,000, garnering significant attention on social media. Critics argued that Gomez used his celebrity status to gain entry to the fair, questioning the artistic merit of his work and highlighting the disconnect between fame and genuine artistry. Gomez described the painting as self-explanatory and stated that with deeper thought, it represents lust, self-pleasure, and power. He has been painting since the 1990s and collecting art since the 1980s. In 2024, Gomez wrote a Facebook post where he complained about being stuck in traffic on EDSA for 2 hours. In the post, he suggested that the EDSA busway should open to regular traffic, arguing that only a few buses use it. This statement drew backlash online, causing Gomez to delete the post but issue a follow-up statement the next day, defending his comments as his own personal opinion. He reiterated his stance, comparing his proposal to the practice of opening counterflow lanes on the Metro Manila Skyway during rush hour. He later made a post on Threads criticizing media outlets for allegedly misreporting that he had deleted the posts, clarifying that he had only hidden them. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.